1. Ask someone out. Meaning, invite on a date. Example, Brian asked Judy out to dinner and a movie. 2. Ask around. Meaning, ask many people the same question. Example, I asked around, but nobody has seen my wallet. 3. Add up to something. Meaning, equal.
Example, your purchases add up to $205.32.
4. Back something up. Meaning, reverse. Example, you'll have to back up your car so that I can get out. 4. Back someone up. Meaning, support. Example, my wife backed me up over my decision to quit my job. 5. Blew up. Meaning, explode. Example, the racing car blew up after it crashed into the fence. 6. Blow something up. Meaning, add air. Example, we have to blow 50 balloons up for the party. 7. Break down. Meaning, stop functioning vehicle, machine. Example, our car broke down at the side of the highway in the snowstorm. 8. Break down. Meaning, get upset. Example, the woman broke down when the police told her that her son had been in an accident. 9. Break something down. Meaning, divide into smaller parts. Example, our teacher broke the final project down into 3 separate parts. 10. Break in. Meaning, force entry to a building. Example, somebody broke in last night and stole our stereo.